What's the meaning of breeze block? Breeze block. Breeze block.
Breeze block. Breeze block. A breeze block, also known as a cinder block or concrete masonry unit, is a rectangular building block made of concrete and ash. They are commonly used in construction for walls and foundations due to their durability and low cost. Their porous nature allows for good insulation and ventilation. The term breeze block may also refer to decorative blocks with unique shapes or patterns. Overall, breeze blocks are a versatile and popular building material in many parts of the world.